This is Vegas Bob from Las Vegas, Nevada. It's me and Sherry coming from Arizona to Nevada across the Hoover Dam. It's November 6th, 2010. It's very difficult to stop and take videos, so I'm just taking a video along the way. We already went across the big bridge. Now we're crossing the Hoover Dam. Leaving Arizona. Coming into Nevada. I have to watch out for pedestrians. I really shouldn't be taking video while I'm driving, but I am a professional. Here's the bridge. Hoover Dam. New bridge. Hoover Dam seems to still be a very large tourist attraction, as you can see. Vegas Bob from Las Vegas, Nevada, coming into Nevada State. Here's the new bridge. That divides Arizona and Nevada. Who are you? 240 million right here. We were just at the top of it. Bye-bye.